Since 50 years ago, the Natural History Museum has taught to boys, youngs, and adults about the conservation and natural history of species and ecosystems in Colombia. Actually, it has 3 exhibitions: Evolution and Anthropology, Sea Role, and Biodiversity. And Anthropology. This exhibition explains the origin and evolution from the life on the earth. It uses a big picture where it talks about geology, areas, continental drift, and plate tectonics. The principal idea is explaining the relation between biology, geology, and astronomy. Also, there is an exhibition about human evolution. It has many skulls. These represented the ancestor to human. Finally, our visitors can see 2 graves of 9,000 and 6,000 years ago of the first inhabitants in Savannah of Bogotá. They lived in Shia and Tequendama and made tools in stone. Then, the visitors can see a fossil of mastodon, was large tusked mammal species of the extinct genus Mammoth, found in Colombia. The mastodon is a bit as than mammoth, but it hasn't hair and skin. Has many animals of the sea. Sawfish has the longest snout with teeth. Ray shark and hammerhead shark. It has the most flattened head of all fishes. Colombia has many species of turtle. Hornbill turtle has the most beautiful capillaries. Green turtles is less small than Canada turtle. This is a most big sea turtle. The most important piece of the museum is a sea-wall skeleton. This is unique in South America. Sea walls arrived to Pacific Colombian when their young are born.